This is a GTI side skirt tutorial on the MK6 sportwagen or Golf. Start by using painter's tape on the rocket panel so you can trace out a template. Remove this T25 Torx that's located near the back of the car. You'll also have these rubber grommets that are located underneath that you'll need to remove. With the plugs removed, you want to put in these plastic brackets with the lock block. The tape on the side skirts will be used as a reference to line everything up. Bolt up the side skirts from the underside brackets you previously installed with the T25 bolts. This is when you use the tape as a reference point to hold the side skirts up against the car. You'll want to trace the side skirts with a Sharpie to mark the outline of the skirts will sit, so the brackets under it will have a reference point. Cut the tape and remove the mounting trim from the side skirt. Remove this trim bracket from the side skirt. Now retape the reference point line and line the trim bracket up against the car, aligning it with the vertical tape reference, keeping the trim about 1/8 of an inch from the line. You want to have more tape to hold up the trim, avoiding taping over any mounting holes. I'm using the OEM self-tapping mounting bolts as a center punch since I'm still drilling a pilot hole with a 1/16 drill bit. With the hole drilled, I'm using the self-tapping bolt to do the rest. Once all the bolts are in place, just push the trim towards the front of the car and it should come off. With the bolts removed, you want to paint or rust-proof these holes somehow. For some extra waterproofing, I put some silicone on these mounting bolts. Install the mounting trim back on the side skirt. Line up the side skirts using the larger holes on the bracket, then push the whole side skirt back until you hear the click. Once the side skirts are on, you want to finish up by using the T25 Torx bolts underneath the car.